Orly Guteza, a former security consultant of Ako Bicol Representative Zaldi Co, testifies he regularly delivered luggage filled with cash to the residence of former House Speaker Martin Romualdez in Makati City.
Halimbawa, nag-akyat kami ng 46 na malita. Ibababa lamang namin ay 35 malita para i-deliver sa bahay ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa 42 McKinley Street, Taguig.
Guteza tells the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee he also saw bags stuffed with cash being brought to Co's residence when he was working for the then chairman of the House Appropriations Committee. Guteza worked as a security consultant for Co from December 5, 2024 to August 5, 2025. He reported for duty in Co's residence at the 56th floor of Horizon Homes, Shangri-La in BGC, Taguig. Guteza reveals whenever he was tasked to deliver money, he would go to another residence of Co in Valle Verde 6, Pasig City. Sources also confirmed Co resided in this property. The cash was referred to as basura or garbage, a code word. Each luggage allegedly contained 48 to 50 million pesos with a post-it note indicating the amount inside. Guteza identified Co's executive assistants John Paul Estrada and Mark Teksay as the people responsible for receiving and handling the money.